So I'm gonna tear down my Samsung phone. So the battery has been already removed, as you can see here. Yep, there's no battery inside. And yeah, since I got a new iPhone 6 and this phone is broke down, so I'm destroying it. So why not? Okay. So first of all, let's pull it up. Okay, I'm lifting it up. So this part we used to make a wall in here. So here is a motor, the SIM installation. Somewhat it's broke off. I need a new one. Yeah. So okay. So there's the home button cable right there, and this is the home button, as you can see. Okay. So right there we have the motherboard. So this already fall off. Yeah. I'm have stick it back. Yep, so now it's time for removing some more cells. Okay, peel this off. Here is the microphone. This is the front camera lens. This is camera lens, the front one, and this is a microphone part. Okay, and then this piece of metal is a part of microphone. And now this is the back camera, the rear one. Okay, so now peel it off gently. Alright, so this is the lens itself, and it's only about 8 megapixels. The quality is horrible. Let me focus it. Yeah, did you see it? Yep. You see it? Oh, maybe I'm gonna place it down. Yeah, so there it is. Yeah, the one here. Okay, so now this one is a Qualcomm chip, and this one is a SIM card placing, and this is a micro SD and second SIM. Access the first one asset compared to here, and this is a second SIM. We use a micro SIM. We put it in there, and this is the connection plugger for the battery. So when you put the battery in, it will be like this. Yeah, you can see. So now, well, I have opened it before, and yeah, I tossed away a lot of parts, so yeah, screw it. Anyway, so here's what a Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime it does looks like. So here I'm gonna building the overview. Yep. This Wii controller lets me go out. I need to put it there so you guys can see. So this is a battery. I'm gonna pull it off. This some parts of the phone. What? This is the part of it. Alright. So now we gotta place it back. Alright, don't fall off, okay? Now let's just stick it back to what before. So now that's the back cover. I lost all the screws, so yeah, don't care much about why there's no screws or whatever. Alright, so now we are applying the camera cell. So here, this is a rear camera. You stick it in here. Are you okay? And now this is the microphone. We are gonna place it in here. Okay. Is this fitting in? Yes, of course. So this one is the speaker and the 3.5 headphone jack. So we place in here. Yeah, I hate it quite a lot because yeah, it always fall off. Even though I have pushed this. So this is the front-facing camera, as you can see. Yes, so I'm just gonna placing it back here. Yeah. So the charging part is here at the motherboard. So now we're just gonna place it back to this housing. I would like to fix it later, but yeah, we are during the coronavirus closed down, so yeah, no more stores because yeah, they were an accessory selling, so well, they closed it down. Alright, so now let's placing it back together. Okay. Oh, before placing it, I didn't notice. Oopsie, sorry guys. Oh wait, it's right. So here, we just gonna fit it into here. I'm just gonna lifting it up a bit to place the headphone jack in. Then we're gonna place those down. Alright, it does fit. Okay, be careful. So push it down. Nicely fit inside the phone itself. This is a button. We're just gonna pushing it to fitting it into here. Okay. Hey you, why you don't want to come in? Alright. Nice. So now let's add a battery back. Unfortunately, this part I didn't have anything to connect because the old screen have tossed it away because it's broken. Now we're closing the back, and now this is a microphone, and I'm just gonna rub some glue in here and stick to them. Okay, rub it. Get some glue in. Yeah, just simply applying it in. Okay. Okay. Push it down. Alright, and now this is my Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime, which is introduced 2014. Yeah, and its quality, it's terrible. So if you guys want to buy this phone, don't buy it. Oh shoot, yeah, the glue didn't stick well. Alright, now here it is. I'm gonna place it back first. Alright, and thank you guys for watching, and peace out. Bye.